deal with the word banking. They say by investing in universal life insurance is like infinite banking. You become your own bank. Team, let me deal with this right quick. I got a question for you, right? If you say by me investing in a universal life insurance policy or index universal life policy, it's like me becoming my own bank, right? Man, please listen. I'm my own bank. Team, watch out there. I'm my own bank. Get anybody who say that. Get anybody who say that. Just give me. Just tell me that. Am I my own bank? When I invest in a universal life insurance policy, or I buy a universal life, I keep saying invest, but if I buy a universal life insurance policy or index universal life policy, am I my own bank? Am I acting like my own bank? Just tell me yes or no. Now, if y'all dealt with anybody, now you know they're gonna have to go back on their words if they say, well, no, I'm not saying, no, I want you to say it. No, tell me that, because that's shit I know. That's what I know. Right? That's one of the biggest sales. Outside of living benefits, what I told you is, the other part is the whole cash value part, which I told you how cash value work all through the deal. But on this shit, you tell me, no, man, this is like becoming your own bank. It's like becoming your own bank. Okay, so no problem. Let's start here. When you ever deal with an index universal, like you start here, you say, let me ask you something. Am I my own bank? I'm the bank. If I do index universal, like I'm the bank. Yeah, dog, you the bank, dog. You like the bank. All right, here's the second question I want you to write down. Before we go any further in the life insurance part of this stuff, let me ask you a banking question. How do banks make money? I'm the bank. Yeah, you the bank. How do banks make money? Better yet, before that. Where do banks get money from? That's a better. Where do banks get money, right? Like if you in your local area, right, and a brand new bank opens up, right? They build it from scratch, brand new bank opened up, right? In order for that bank to start doing transactions, because you said I'm a bank, right? Okay, but when a brand new bank opened up, where does the bank get the first set of money from? Right? I'm gonna help you out. Where the bank get the first set of money from? Right? Here's my point. If a bank open up, team, watch this. Let me ask you though. If a bank open up from scratch, right? It's day one. It's a grand opening. I want you to get this. It's a grand opening. It's grand opening, right? I'm the bank. This is grand opening. Yeah, grand opening. Does the bank have $0 in it when it opened? Does the bank got no money when it opened? Because if you say I'm the bank, right? Well, let's look at a bank. When a bank opens, where does the initial money that the bank uses to start making transactions and give out loans to people? Yeah, the Federal Reserve, which is the entity responsible for printing money, they give the bank. No bank that opens up starts from their own money. If a Chase Bank open up, a Chase Bank don't got $0. It don't open its doors with $0 and bank on the first person to walk in the door to deposit $15 and not a bank got $15. No. The bank has a Federal Reserve behind it that pumps money into it. Right? So if you telling me I'm the bank, watch this. If I'm the bank, right? Listen, with this, who give me money? When I start this policy, without me giving it no money? Because a bank don't give money to itself. That's what I'm trying to tell y'all. A bank don't give money to itself. Somebody else gives the bank money for it to do transactions. What I'm saying is, if I got a universal life policy, if I got an index universal life policy, and you telling me I'm the bank, who give me money up front? Damn, I'm my own bank. Who give me money? If I'm the bank get money from somewhere else called the Federal Reserve. Who my Federal Reserve? Write that question down. Who's my Federal Reserve? I'm a bank. A bank don't give itself money. So how are you telling me if I go get a universal life policy, I'm my own bank and I got to give me money? The bank don't give itself money, genius. It don't give itself money. The bank is funded from another entity that gives it money. And you understand that? That's the first part I deal with it, right? But think about that. Always deal with how banks, if I'm my own bank, who gives me money to start my insurance policy and keep it going? Who give me money? The insurance company don't. But the bank gets money from the Federal Reserve. Well, who's my Federal Reserve and insurance policy there? Who my Federal Reserve? Who my insurance reserve is? Before I give $1 in premium. Nah, I ain't paid no money in premium. I ain't give them people no money, and I got money. Show me a policy work like that. Because if you can't show me a policy that work like that, then guess what you can't tell me? You can't tell me I'm my own bank. Because if a bank starts from scratch, they get money from another entity. That's first, that's part one. Watch this. So listen to this. The bank gets money from one, wait. I'm the bank in this seat, right? The bank gets money from one way, right? And, watch this. And they intake money from customers, from us, right? From our deposits and our investments, right? So they take in money from this side and they collect money from this side, right? Question. I'm the bank, right? I'm my own bank. Yeah. Who I'm getting money from? Who I'm getting money from? Like, that's the question. Like, who am I getting money from? All I know, I'm paying premiums. Because I'm going to get to the bank, who the bank pay. But I'm saying, who I'm getting money from? If I'm the bank, who deposited money into me? Straight up, who deposited money into me? Because you telling me if I'm the bank, the bank gets deposits. Team, feel me on this. The bank gets deposit money. They get fed money. Watch this. And they take the money. Follow me on this. They take the money that they receive from the Federal Reserve and from customers, right? And they take that money. Two things they do. They reinvest the money from other people. They reinvest the money from others. Wait a minute. The bank reinvests money from other people, right? Go get high rate of return. The bank also reloans the money out. This is what I'm about to get you with banking, right? So here's the question, right? Here's the question. I'm my own bank, right? With the cash, I'm my own bank. Who do I reloan the money out to? Because if I'm a bank, I can loan the money out to outside people. The bank don't loan money to itself. Think about that. Think about how crazy this is. How does Chase Bank get a loan from Chase Bank? Think about this. Think about this. How can Chase Bank get a loan from Chase Bank? If the money is originally in Chase Bank. Think about this. You trying to tell me the concept of being my own bank, and I'm the one got to put up the money first, and then when I want the money, I got to borrow the money from myself. Wait. The bank loans money to other people. How the hell can you be a bank if you loaning the money to your damn self? But it gets worse. Not only do you loan the money to your damn self, but you paying somebody else back. I'm gonna show you how to flip that in. Wait. This is a bank. A bank loans money to outside people, collects the interest from them, back to them, right? I loan you $1,000 because of the interest. I, the bank, say I'm gonna charge you on that loan, right? I'm the bank. I say on a credit card, I want to charge you as 20% on. That's what I say I want. I'm the bank, right? I gave you a line of credit. I say I want to charge you this percentage. That's what I want. That's the APR. That's what I want to charge, right? I loaned you this, call this out. I want to charge that percentage on it. That's what I want. That's the terms. 18, watch this. When a person goes into a deal for a mortgage or a deal for a car, something like that, whatever business, who come up with the terms? I'm telling the bank. Is you and the bank? Who come up with the terms on the loans and stuff like that? Who come up with the terms? How much money you gonna pay? How long it's gonna be, and all that kind of stuff for the money to be returned? Who come up with the terms when you're dealing business with a bank, right? Because I'm a bank. Because if I'm a bank and I'm dealing out loans, if I'm supposed to be like a bank, that means I'm supposed to be lending out money to other people, right? I'm supposed to be lending out money to other people. And then based on the money that the other people make, that I set, right? Because look, the bank sets the terms. You ask somebody with a universal life insurance policy, do you set the terms? Do you set the terms of the loan? Because watch this. Because think about this. If you, it's always a trap question, right? If you the bank, right, and you saying you loaning money to your damn self, which is crazy. My question is, who chose the interest rate that you get back? The interest on the loan, right? If you the bank, did you choose the interest? Think about that. The interest on the loan you take from your own money. Did you choose the interest? Because it's your money, right? It's your money and you the bank. If it's your money and you the bank, then you should come up with the repayment terms. You should determine what interest rate you give yourself the money back from giving the money back to yourself on some crazy. Think about that. You don't control shit. You ask anybody. Say, let me ask you something, man. On a universal life index, universal life policy, let me ask you something. If I take a loan out to me, even though banks loan to other people, right? What's the interest on the loan? Wait, what's the interest on the loan? And do I have the power to change that interest? Because I'm the bank. My insurance already told me I'm the bank. Do I control the interest on the loans I take from myself? Since I am giving the money to myself, right? Right? I am borrowing the money from myself, right? Right. And I'm the bank, right? Right. So if I'm the bank, like a real bank, that means I'm supposed to be the one controlling the terms of this shit, because real banks control the terms of the loans they give out. True or false? Don't banks control the terms of the loans they want to give out? Is that not true? Team, somebody said, Twan, you lying. Somebody said, Twan, you bullcrap. That ain't true. When a bank loans money, do they not control the terms? The interest they want to get back? How fast they want to get the money back? Do they not do that? So if I buy a universal life policy, index universal life policy, then I should be able to control the loan terms. I should also be able to control the interest rate. Ask anybody with a universal life policy, who controls the interest rate and the terms of the loan? And that'll tell you who the real bank is. Ask anybody who got a universal life policy or index universal life policy that claims that when you buy, you your own bank. You say, if I'm my own bank, right? Then when a loan is taken out, who controls the terms of the loan and the interest rate on the loan? Do I control the loan terms and when they need to be paid back and all that kind of stuff, right? Do I control the interest rate and all that kind of stuff? Or does the insurance company do it? Who do it? Because you telling me I'm the bank. But when I actually look at the real, when I actually look at the real breakdown of who's really doing banking, you ain't doing no goddamn banking. You getting spanked. You doing a spank, your ass getting spanked. You ain't doing no banking, you getting spanking, right? You getting spanked, you ain't doing no banking. The actual entity who's actually operating like the bank is the insurance company, because they the one making your ass loan. They're the one who got the new money from you, and then they turn around and made you borrow the money you gave them. And not only did they make you borrow the money you gave them, they're the ones who control the terms of the loan. And they're also the ones who, watch this, who charge the interest on the loan on the money you gave them. And watch this. If you decide to pay the loan back, 18, watch this. Ask yourself this question if you're the bank. And if you don't believe me, call the company. Say, listen, if I take a loan out this policy, right, and you charge me interest, say, let me ask you something. The interest that's paid on this loan, who get that money? Who get that money? Who does the on a policy loan from a universal life, a whole life, or index universal life policy? Who does the interest on that money? Who does the interest on that loan money go to? I'm about to show you who's the bank. Because banks, see, one of the ways banks collect money is through interest, right? Is that not one of the ways do banks collect money through interest on loans? Huh? Is that not one of the ways banks make money through interest on loans? Right? So if you are a bank, you like a bank, then you're supposed to make money on interest on loans. If I do not make money from interest on loans, then I am not the bank. So it is actually incorrect for you to tell me that if I buy this policy, that I'm like infinite banking. You don't operate shit like no bank. Because one of the things you don't do is you don't collect interest on loans. And you also do not control loan terms. Another thing, another way banks make money is fees. They got a thing in the banking industry, man. Every year, the bank makes billions of dollars off of fees, overdraft fees, this type of fee, this type of fee. They make money on fees. If I'm the bank, hold on, team. If I'm the bank, they say the bank make billions of dollars off fees every year. I ain't saying I'm going to chase Bank of America. Y'all told me I got an IUL. All right. So tell me, how do I make money off fees? That's what you should ask. You say, wait, what? I'm a bank, right? Yeah. You your own bank. How do I make money off of fees like the banks do? Well, what you mean? You told me this is infinite banking. All I'm doing is I'm trying to connect myself to a bank. And all I'm trying to figure out is how am I a bank with this? How am I own bank? And I don't collect money off fees. I don't make money off of interest on loans. I don't control any loan terms. Shit, this policy starts with my money. I don't know one bank who opens its doors with their money. Somebody else pumps money into them. Who pumps money into me? Who pumps money into my posse if I'm the bank? Me? Wait. This policy starts with my premium? And I'm really about to get the index in a minute. But this shit starts with my money? So y'all take my money and then put me in the customer side of the bank. That's crazy. That's crazy. You open up this policy, call me the bank, but then you treat me like the customer of the shit. So what you mean? Wait. Hold on. I'm the customer of it? Yeah, you the customer of it. How you feel? Because you the one got to take a loan out. You the one that don't control the terms. You the one got to pay the money back. And if you don't pay them the money back, they're going to deduct the money from the debt benefit if you even have one. Right? And the interest you pay them back, the insurance company get the money. The insurance company charge you fees. Damn, well, who's the real bank here? Insurance company charge, you don't make no money off no fees and no index universal life policy or your universal life policy. The insurance company do. They don't want to charge fees. If you don't charge fees, you ain't no damn bank. If you don't give loans out to other people, you ain't no damn bank. How the hell I'm my own bank? I'm giving money to my damn self. Fool, you already had the money from the jump, genius. Infinite banking.